Spin your way to Fluent English. Understanding head spin. Hello, language enthusiasts. Are you ready to add another phrase to your ever-growing English vocabulary? Today, we're going to unpack the meaning behind the phrase that can make your world go round, head spin. Stick around as we explore its uses and nuances, making sure you can use it like a native by the end of this video. When someone says they're experiencing a head spin, they don't necessarily mean they're practicing for a breakdancing competition. Head spin is an idiomatic expression that describes a state of confusion or a feeling of being overwhelmed. Imagine your mind is a carousel, whirling with thoughts so much so that it's hard to stand straight. That's the essence of a head spin. You might hear head spin in various contexts. It's common in casual conversations, especially when someone is trying to process a lot of information. For example, after a complex lecture at university, a student might say, "That was intense. It really made my head spin." When faced with a sudden and shocking piece of news, you could exclaim, "Wow, that really makes my head spin." It's also used in more literal scenarios involving physical dizziness, but our focus today is on the figurative sense. Let's see how head spin can be used in sentences to express different emotions. 1. Surprise. I can't believe they got engaged so quickly. It's making my head spin. 2. Overload. Trying to understand the new software at work is making my head spin. 3. Amazement. The magician's performance was so incredible. It made my head spin. Remember, the phrase often conveys a sense of being mentally disoriented or shocked, rather than just a little confused. It's not just about head spin. English is rich with variations and similar expressions. You might also hear, "My head is spinning," a direct description of the feeling. It's enough to make your head spin, often used to describe situations that could potentially cause confusion or surprise. Spin someone's head around. This can mean to thoroughly confuse someone. I hope this exploration didn't make your head spin. Instead, now you should feel ready to add this dizzying idiom to your conversations with confidence. Use it to express astonishment, overwhelm, or just to add some flair to your English. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep spinning those English learning wheels.